welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my monthly update for the Project 10 Uses Project Pan. This was created by Phoebe HB. I'm going to have her listed down below if you want to go check her out. This is a project that I've seen tons of people doing. There's no playlist anywhere. It was just kind of one of those projects that got started and a lot of people started doing it too. So yeah, I decided I was eventually going to jump on that bandwagon and start this project. And I like it. I like it because I can rotate through things, use them like 10 times, then work on something else. And I don't feel any pressure. I really don't. And I like that I can get through my collection without any pressure, and I can just pick the most random things that I feel like I'm ready to be able to use, and that's kind of what I'm doing. And I don't have to worry anymore about picking conflicting products, because I did the whole roulette thing when I did my intro, and everything was a conflict because it was pretty much all eyeshadow, and I still have a few of those left in here too, I think. And yeah, I won't be doing that anymore, but I'm enjoying this project. I really am. So for right now, I'm going to keep going with it, even though I have a ton of other stuff going on. I feel like this is not a conflict right now. All right, so basically the idea is you pick your products. I started with 10, and you use it 10 times, you roll it out, then you roll something else in. So I have two products that I have used 10 times, and they are going to roll out. And one of those two products, it was kind of a weird situation, which we'll get to that in a second. Let's get the first one out of the way. This is the Equate Skin Therapy Lotion Fresh Scent. Yeah, I used this probably more than 10 times because I didn't have any other lotions in when I had hit my goal on this, so I just kind of used it here and there. So it got definitely more than 10 uses on that. And the other one is Bare Minerals Present. It was an eyeshadow. It took me a long time to actually press it. I can find the packaging in here. Yes, here it is. It was in this form for the longest time, and I wasn't using it because it was in this form for the longest time. Then I grabbed a pan and I decided to press it in months and months later, and it took much less time to get to my 10 uses. Since I hit my 10 uses since the last update, it since got rolled into another project, and it's gone. I decided to multitask it once it got into the other project, and I used it as a blush. I used it as an eyeshadow. It went quick. There wasn't a ton in there. It was starting to get really thin, and little baby pan was poking around in different areas because the way I pressed it in here. So like I already had like a ton of usage on it, and then it just kind of like disappeared. So I've never had this happen in Project 10 Uses before where I actually used up a product. I'm not unhappy about it though. I'm really not. So yeah, obviously I'm gonna have to roll something in for that one. All right, those are the only two products that are rolling out. I will be rolling in 2 more products, but I'm gonna let you know where all of the other products are as far as usage, and maybe set some goals for the next update. All right, the first one has been in here for a long time. The second one as well. This is part of the eyeshadows that were still part of the intro. First one is Bare Minerals Vine. Looks like that. Yes, my nails are looking horrible because I sliced open my thumb, and I was not playing with acetone with a sliced open thumb. So I apologize for my nails looking ragged today. But anyway, Vine, Bare Minerals, I have 9 uses on it. This will be done. It better be done by the next update because I'm ready for it to roll out. I like the shade, but I'm working on several greens in other projects, so I really want to get her done. And Coastal Scents Sage Blue Mica Powder looks like that. Surprisingly, I like this one as an inner corner. I have 6 uses on this, so I need 4 more uses. I need to put this in my next basket. I need to. If it's not in my basket, I don't use it at all, which sometimes I forget to put things in my basket, and that is kind of detrimental to some projects, which is a bad thing. Moving on to this one, I'm a slacker on. This is the e.l.f. eyeliner in copper. I've only used it 3 times. I'm trying to pan so many eyeliners right now that, yeah, this one's been backburnered for right now. I should say that I'm going to use it and get it to my goal by the next update, but you know I'm not going to, because I'm trying to finish one and I'm so close, and that's going to be my focus. But we'll see. We will see. The Lancome Foundation Tint et al. This one, I haven't used it because I've been working on one that is more like in line with my summer skin tone, where this is actually, it's a little light for me right now. So this one's going to be back burnered for a while until I can lose some of my summer color, which I'm still gardening a lot. So that's not going to happen like right away. So, you know, we're just going to have to wait and see how that goes. This one I'm a total slacker on. Jessica Nails. This is the like the Nourish Cuticle. I love the smell of it. I don't know why, because I'm weird, I guess. But I've only used this 3 times and have not used it at all since the last update. I am such a slacker. I'm such a slacker. Could I have put it on my nails right before I sat down to film? Sure. Did I? No. And I get one because I have a big old Band-Aid on my thumb and my nails are ragged, and it's just one of those days. All right. The next one is the Avon Pore Reducer Mask. This has 1 use on it so far. I probably should use it again. I might use it tonight. Because my skin is feeling a little congested and oily. I don't know if I'm going to do the peel or if I'm going to do that. They both need to get done. We'll see. We'll see how that goes. And the last 2 that I have in are the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Frizz-Free Curl Mousse and the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I love both of these products. The mousse I have 6 uses on, and actually I correct that. It's 7 uses on this one because I forgot to mark that one when I used it yesterday. And the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie actually has 9 uses on it. These will definitely be done as far as my usage by the next update. So I am not worried about those at all. Not even a little bit. So I should hopefully, potentially, have 4 rollouts next month. The 2 hair care and hopefully, crossing my fingers, legs, eyes, I don't know, these 2 eyeshadows. That would be nice, because this one only needs 1 more use. So 3, maybe 4 rollouts, crossing my fingers. Wish me luck on that. All right, I need to roll 2 new things in. I'm going to make it really easy because that's how I roll with my life lately. It's stressful and crazy enough. I want something that's going to be very easy for me to use. So I am picking a shampoo and conditioner duo. This is a brand that I discovered at Sally Beauty. They sell it elsewhere, but I just happened to find it on sale there. And it is cruelty-free, Curly Curl approved, and made in the USA. And it's, you know, very budget friendly. So these, lots of check marks are, you know, being checked off here with these. This is Soapbox, and it is the Tea Tree shampoo and conditioner. And I love tea tree. I absolutely love tea tree. I'm sure I've said it like a million times. I have psoriasis on my scalp. Tea tree is one of those things. If you have a dry, itchy scalp for whatever reason, tea tree is amazing. I use it on my skin. I use it on my hair. Love it in my shampoo and conditioner. So these are pretty new. I've used them once or twice, but I want to use them a little bit more. I tend to have more psoriasis issues when it's like really humid and I'm hot and sweaty and out in the garden a lot more, or when the weather first changes into winter and everything is like really dry again. Your skin gets really dry. So I really need to break these out and use them and make my scalp a very happy place. All right, that is everything for 10 uses. If you are doing this project, let me know and I will come check you out. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.